Greetings Commanders, welcome back to the Retro Playlist and the final part of the Castle Master series on the Commodore 64. If you haven't seen part 1, you can click the eye at the top right of the screen there and watch that. We explored the layout of the inside of the castle a bit, and we went for a little wander and familiarised ourselves with the game. In part 2, which I'll also put a link in the eye in the top right, we basically got lost and wandered around aimlessly and gave up. And this part we are going to try and find something a little bit more interesting to do, so I've got a good feeling about this one. Let's get stuck in.
Right, back area. We know that there's nothing in that church. We're going to go straight to this well and get a key. We might go somewhere completely different after that. We found. Right, there was another tower on the other side, wasn't there? Just behind the church. Let's have a look in there. Yeah, there it is. Let's go in there. Let's always run. Let's always run. Because it's really boring walking. Oh! Come on, turn! Come on! Come on! Oh my god. Can I select that mode please? And can we just... What's going on? I can't... Right. I don't know what happened there, but I couldn't seem to select the crosshair mode. Luckily, I haven't lost any strength by the looks of it, amazingly. Something on this table. That looks like a key to me. No? Is that not a key? Yeah, key. Not sure what that is. Is that a window? Ah! When you feel not sick, look to liquid acids. That's a weird riddle. It's like Yoda talk or something. When you feel not sick. And I guess this must be a key to that place. I wonder if when there was a tub. No, in the lobby. Walked into the table. Oh, take that. I was doing that. Open the door. Let's go in here. Fit it. Oh no, please don't let this be another maze of confusing rooms, please. I can't handle that. Floaty stairs, okay, stairwell. This must be some wizardry magic there making those stairs float. Help me, help me. Oh no, not another catacomb, please. Passage. Better be just a long passage up. If this is just loads of rooms again. Oh, there's a room here. Library. Okay. And another clue on the wall, I'm guessing. Let's go and have a look at that. The pointed eye of heaven sees all once overlooked. The pointed eye of heaven sees all once overlooked. Well, I mean, I don't think even Frodo Baggins could work these ones out. This is really weird. Right, okay. Whatever. Maybe one of these books will be a bit more helpful. In the crosshair mode. I proper panicked when that spirit was there. I was like hammering on the spacebar. A. No effect. Can't pick the book up then. Out of reach. Okay. Oh, opened a door or something. So I guess it's like one of those secret. Turn the, you pull the book out and then the Batman's slidey pole room comes into view. Maybe not Batman's slidey pole room, but something. I'm going to go through it. Ooh, is that a treasure chest? But I need a key for that. Need the right key, yep. And the wizard's hut key. But I don't think we've found the wizard's hut yet. There's another doorway over there. We could have a look in there, I suppose. It's not turned just yet, we'll just fall off again. Oh, there's another demon! Let's have a look. Look around, please. Look around, look around. Oh my goodness. Bit of an arse struggle, doesn't it, sometimes? Where's the demon? Oh god. Is it hiding behind that table? Right, let's... The power of Christ compels you! Compels you! Okay, maybe not. It's not that. Back to walking mode, please. Can we go back to... It really, I mean, if it's slow beforehand, once you get... Can we walk? Right. Now let's have a look. Oh my word. Right. I'm going to try hitting that. I'm still determined that it's that. It's not that. Okay, what? Is it the black thing there that looks like a door? No, it's not that. Okay. Yeah, come on, let's get moving, come on. Oh, what's that on the floor? Right, let's go on now. Too weak to walk. I'm too weak to walk. Oh. Turn, turn. Right, is it that? You collapse. Okay. I think that about does it for this part. I have got lost in a catacomb and collapsed in front of a spirit that I couldn't find. The problem is, when I was in that room, I was trying to turn left and right, and it was like 20 seconds before it would actually move, like a single increment. And then I know we're dealing with old graphics here, but it's like just boxes, and you're like, well, is that box supposed to be a demon, or is it a door, or is that box supposed to be a demon, or is that just a window? And you can't really figure out what it is you're supposed to be shooting at. So it's going to be a lot of trial and error on this game, I think. Impressive graphics, apart from the fact that you can't tell a demon and a door apart. It's one block or another block. Music's pretty cool, and the sound effects are okay, but you can have to choose between one or the other. In the video, I will probably have spliced the music into it and be using the sound effects while I'm playing. But when you're actually playing it, you have to decide which one you want, sound effects or music. Kind of enjoyed it, but I did definitely not enjoy being lost in the catacombs. I think I spent a huge amount of time in the catacombs. And if it weren't for that, maybe I'd have got a bit further. So I will definitely give it another go. Not sure if I'll make another video about it. Keep your eyes peeled, maybe I will. It's starting to ramble now, so I'm going to call it a day. Hope you guys have a great day too. And this is Commodore 64 signing off.